Let's be honest, most recruiting agencies are wasting their time. They are spending more than 10 hours a week searching LinkedIn or other platforms for candidates. And they are thinking if they want to scale their company, they need to hire even more people doing the same job. But this process can be made way cheaper and easier. And by easier, I mean it can be completely automated. We have built an n8n system that is able to find qualified candidates only by using a job title and a job description. Completely on autopilot. In this video, I will show you exactly how this works and how you can use this workflow in your recruiting agency to scale your business. So you can see the workflow right here. It's quite a short workflow. It's not very complicated and you can easily build it by yourself. And to start this workflow, you just have to fill out a form submission. And what you have to do to start this workflow is to fill in the job title and then the job description. So let's say you have a job offer right here and you can just copy this title and paste it in there. And you can also just copy the job description right here. And then you just copy this and paste it in the form submission. You then need to fill out the company and the location and then start a new run. This is the first run. So we select first run. And then we click start and the workflow will start doing its job. So after filling out this form submission, we have this switcher node right here, which routes the data to the first run, the second run, the third run, the fourth run, or the fifth run. So let's say we scrape 300 profiles for the job title Business Development Manager in London, and we select first run, then it will scrape the 300 first people that pop up on LinkedIn for this specific keyword and this specific location. If we select second run, then it will give us the 300 next people and so on and so on. So the switch node, it works by just dragging and dropping this start new run expression. And we have those 5 fields. Then we route the switch node to these different set nodes. And what these set nodes do is selecting the start page of the API. So here the start page is the first page, but here it starts at the page 13, because this way we can scrape like new profiles, right? So after that, all this data gets fed into an API, in this case Apify. And if you don't know what Apify is, it's basically an API platform that gives you the opportunity to use different tools to scrape people or companies or data from different platforms. In this case, we can scrape profiles from LinkedIn. So we just need to connect our Apify account. Then we need to select an actor and we paste in this curl command that we get on the Apify website. And we just put in the specific queries that we need. And if we've done that and we click on execute step, or we let our workflow run, then this actor will start searching all those people, right, for this specific keyword and this specific location. After that, we have this get dataset items node, which just gives us the data that we want. And then we have this remove duplicates node, which removes duplicates very easy. So that way we don't get a profile that we scraped in a run before for a second time. This was the first part of the workflow. So now let's talk about the second part of the workflow, which is about scoring the candidates. So we have this loop node, which is looping all those candidates we have collected one by one. This loop node, what it does is it connects to this set dataset items node, which is just a set node in n8n. The reason I use the set node is to just have a more clear workflow, to just clarify things. What I do in the set node is set all the data I want to send into the AI agent. For example, the name of the person, of the candidate, his LinkedIn URL, his location, his top skills, his education, experience, skills, languages, and so on. All this stuff that is interesting for recruiters. And after that, I put all of this here into this candidate scoring agent. So his whole LinkedIn profile we just scraped, right? And the job title and the job description, so that the AI agent can compare those things to the LinkedIn profile and see if this candidate is a fit or if he's not a fit for this specific job role. So all this data, it looks like this: job title, key account manager, job description. The job description we just copied and pasted, and then we have the LinkedIn profile right here, which is just this giant block of text, but the AI agent will understand this. So this is the prompt. It's a long prompt, but it's easy to understand. It just says, task: you are a professional recruitment consultant working on behalf of a client. You are evaluating a candidate for an open position. And then I explain to this AI agent what he has to do, the approach, the evaluation principles, and I show him what the output should look like. So the output should be structured as JSON with the following fields. And you can see like job title match, skill match, experience match. So I'm asking the AI agent all these questions like, does the candidate have a relevant industry background, or explain whether and to what extent the candidate's current and previous job titles align with the role, and all those things, so the AI agent can make an accurate assessment about the candidate. And here we have an example output to make sure that the AI agent does not make any errors. So this candidate scoring agent will take about 1 minute, and his chat model is, by the way, GPT 5.1. After that, all the candidate data will be set again, but now with all the information the AI agent has given us, all this information will be sent into the Airtable base. So we use this create a record node, and then all this data will be structured in this beautiful table right here. So in the first 3 rows, we will have the company, the job title, and the location. And after that, we will see the different candidates. So the name, his LinkedIn profile, his location, the overall suitability. So for example, excellent fit, suitable or not suitable. The reasoning for the suitability, so we know why the AI agent has decided like that. The core skills of the candidate, do they fit with the job role? His nice to have skills, right? His industry experience, seniority experience, company experience, education match, potential red flags, for example, clear industry misalignment, no direct experience, blah, blah, blah. And then additional positive signals, which we can also look up. And that's it, right? That's the whole workflow. So when we have done this, you can just decide to send a message to your team, notifying your team that new candidates have been found. We can do this with a Slack note like that and send a message like, new candidate profiles are now available, review them here. And so your whole team will get notified. And that's it, right? That's the whole magical workflow. Very simple and very easy to implement into your company. Now you could expand this workflow. For example, you could say, I want this workflow to also write an automated personalized email to every candidate, so you have even less work to do. Or you could also say, I don't want to collect new candidates. I want to use the candidates we already have in our CRM. And so you could exchange this node right here with a different node and look up your CRM. All those things are possible. You could do much more with this workflow. You could make it even more efficient. But that's it for the video. And I think you can already achieve many, many goals with this workflow. So like you can see, using this workflow has many benefits. You can save 10 plus hours per week per recruiter by automating this candidate search. You will also get more replies from candidates because you're not just reaching out to any candidates, but to candidates who really fit the role. Using AI or having an AI partner is also way cheaper than hiring new people to scale your business. If you don't want to build this workflow by yourself, you can just send me an email at contact@oceanleads.net and I will give you the n8n file right away. You can also decide to work with our team at Ocean Leads to scale your recruiting agency using AI. Because some of you won't have the time to build a system like this one, fix errors, and adapt the system to your specific company needs. It is also important to stay ahead with the newest AI models and tools to have an advantage in the always changing recruiting niche. That's where we can help you at Ocean Leads, so you don't have to do all this technical automation stuff by yourself. Instead, you can focus on closing more deals and growing your business without hiring more employees and spending more time. If you want to work with us, you can click the link in the description and book a free discovery call. Thank you for watching.